Good morning, students. Now we are going to see Unit 3, and the first topic is Newton Raphson Method. So first let us see the formulas and the conditions, and this is very important topic. First, the Newton Raphson formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. This is the formula for Newton Raphson or NR method, or this is also known as method of tangents, Newton Raphson method, and this is NR method, short form NR method or method of tangents or method of tangents. Its another name is method of tangents. Okay, this is the formula xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. Next, the condition for convergence of Newton Raphson method, 2 mark. The condition is modulus f of x f double dash of x is less than modulus f dash of x the whole square in the interval considered, and the order of Newton Raphson method is 2. These are all important 2 marks. It may ask in the university exams what is the order and condition for convergence of Newton Raphson method. So you should write the both. The order is 2 and the condition is this one. Now let us see the problem based on this NR method. The first question: find the real positive root of 3x minus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0 by NR method and correct to 6 decimal places. This is important. Correct it to 6 decimal places. If it is not mentioned, you can take 3 decimal places, at least minimum 3 decimal places. Otherwise, if the particular decimal places is mentioned in the question, you must take the particular decimal places, 4 decimal or 5 decimal. Now in this question it is asked correct to 6 decimal places, so you must take 6 digit in the right side from that means 6 decimal places from the point. Given our function is 3x minus cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is the trigonometric function. That means we have cos. Trigonometric means you must change the calculator mode. You should change the calculator mode. Actually, the calculator is in degree mode. So, in trigonometric problems, you should change it in radian mode. Okay. When you on your calculator, the calculator shows the D symbol on the top side. That is, the calculator is always in degree mode. If the problem is in trigonometric terms, the problem includes trigonometric functions, you must change the calculator mode, degree mode into radian mode. That is, you click mode 3 times in the calculator button. You have mode symbol. When you click this mode symbol 3 times, you have degree, gradient and radiant symbol. Degree, radiant and gradient symbol. Degree mode, radiant mode and gradient mode. That means degree 1 and radiant number 2, gradient number 3. So you click number 2, radiant mode. You click number 2, radiant mode. So the calculator shows R in the right side. So the calculator is changed into radiant mode. Okay. So throughout this problem, you fix the calculator mode into radiant degree mode into radiant mode. After completing this problem, you should change the mode to degree. Okay. So given 3x minus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Let us take this is our f of x function. F of x is equal to 3x minus cos x minus 1. Now we first consider, or now we first find the root, where the root lies between. That means our answer. Root means our answer, where our answer lies. So first you check f of 0, f of 0.5, f of 1, f of 1.5, like that. This is our wish. Okay, so first f of 0, that means in the place of x you put 0, so we get minus 2, that is negative. The answer is no need, we need the sign, that means opposite or opposite signs, that means positive or negative. Once we get the opposite signs, we fix our answer lies between the 2 points. Okay, f of 0 is equal to minus 2, negative, and f of 1 is equal to, that means in the place of x you put 1. So 3 minus cos 1 minus 1, that is 1 point something, 1.459698 something, that means positive. So now the answers are, that means the signs, it is negative and positive. So the opposite signs we reached the opposite signs. Therefore our root lies between, our root means our answer lies between 0 and 1. Now again let us check which our root which is the nearest point. Our root lies nearly to 0 or nearly to 1. So 0 and 1, the root lies between 0 and 1. Now again we check modulus value. So modulus f of 0, it is 2. Modulus means it is the absolute value. So modulus f of 0 is equal to 2. Modulus means absolute, that means always positive. And modulus f of 1 means 1 point something. So which one is the smallest value? F of 1 is the smallest value. Okay, so our answer is nearer to, that means our root is nearer to 1. Nearer to 1 means like above 0.5, okay, or 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, or nearer to 1. It is almost 1, nearer to 1. Okay, so let us consider, or let us take the initial value x naught. This is the iterative method. Iterative method means once we get x naught, then only we can find x1. Then by using x1 value, we will find x2. Again by applying this x2 answer in x3. Okay, continue the process, we will reach the convergence. Convergence means once we get the two answers are same, we can stop the procedure, we can stop the iterative process. So here the root is nearer to 1, so let us consider our answer, that means initial value x naught is 0.6, that means greater than 0.5, we consider 1, nearer to 1. So 0, this is our option. You can choose 0.7, 0.8 also, okay, like that. Now in this problem we consider 0.6. Now write the formula, Newton Raphson method. Newton Raphson formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn, where n is equal to 0, 1 to 3, etc. And now f of x is equal to 3x minus cos x minus 1, and f dash of x, we need f dash, the derivative of f of x also. In the formula we have f of x in the numerator and f dash of x in the denominator. So we can find the f of x, derivative of f of x. 3x, x differentiation, differentiation with respect to x. So x differentiation 1, so it is 3. And cos x differentiation, minus sin x, cos x differentiation minus sin x. So again already we have one minus here, so it comes positive, plus, minus into minus plus, and minus 1, that means constant differentiation 0. So f of x and f dash of x is equal to 3 plus sin x. Now we proceed the process, iterative process. So first we find x1, that means in the place of n you put 0. This is the formula. So first n is equal to 0 is the starting point, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So first n is equal to 0 means we get x1. x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 by f dash of x0, and x0 means our initial value 0.6. So you put the 0.6 here, and in the place of f of x0 you put x0 values in f of x, and f dash of x0 you put x0 values in f dash of x. That means in the numerator we have f of x, and in the denominator we have f dash of x, and calculation and by simplification. And after simplify we get x1. After simplify we get x1. Next we find x2. That means second process, second derivative. x2 is equal to now n value is 1, so x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. That means x1 answer, this is our x1 answer, and we must take 6 decimal places. It is mentioned in the question itself, so we consider 6 decimal places, 0.607108, x1 answer. Then substitute x1 answer in x2. So x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. F of x means we must substitute in f of x. What is our f of x? F of x is equal to 3x minus cos x minus 1. This is our f of x, and f dash of x is equal to 3 plus sin x. This is our f dash of x. F of x in the numerator, f dash of x is in the denominator. Substitute the value and simplify, we get x2 answer. Okay, x2 answer is 0.607102. It's correct to 6 decimal places. The next let us find x3. x3 is equal to, x3 means n value is 2. Okay, so x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2. Now substitute x2 answer here. x2 is equal to 0.607102. Substitute here. Again the same process repeated. Okay, f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. Again calculations, we get the same answer in the previous iteration. That means x2. So here x2 and x3 are the same answers. That means we reach our convergence. We reached the convergence. x2 is equal to 0.607102, and x3 also the same answer. Therefore here x2 is equal to x3 is equal to the same answer, 0.607102, and correct to 6 decimal places. Therefore our root is, that means our answer lies between 0 and 1. That is we already known from the starting. So now our answer is 0.607102, and within bracket you must write correct to 6 decimal places. Okay, thank you students.